Hello, my name is Max Lemasters. I will be your English speaking teacher at Gochon Middle School. When you can finally come to this classroom, this place is friendly. You can speak to me anytime. We're going to learn how to speak and practice. So, let me tell you about myself. This is the United States. I am from the United States. Oklahoma is my home state. I'm from Tulsa, that's my city, very far away. So, I came to Korea to teach 2 years ago. This is my 3rd year. I like playing games. I like studying Korean. I like watching movies. And I like making friends. This is our first key phrase. I like. So, let's turn to our page in our textbook and let's begin. Okay. Let's look at page 12 in your textbook. Page 12. Should look like this. Page 12. Okay. All right. On page 12, we'll have many key phrases today. What is your favorite blank? So the color here is purple. I'll tell you why in a second. B, my favorite blank is blank. Is blank your favorite blank? Blank is my favorite blank. Now, new key phrase. Do you like blank? I like blank. You remember I said, I like playing games. I like watching movies. I like blank. Okay, down here, I have words. Pizza, food, K-pop, music, Overwatch, game. Overwatch is a game. Overwatch is the color blue. Game is the color red. So, what is your favorite game? My favorite game is Overwatch. Let's try it with food and pizza. Pizza is blue, food is red. Is pizza your favorite food? Pizza is my favorite food. Do you like blank? Do you like K-pop? I like K-pop. Okay, our key phrases. One person speaks A, one person speaks B. A, B. A, B. Okay. So, different subjects are science, math, art, English, history, and music. Different colors: blue, gray, green, red, black, white. And clothes: uniform, jacket, shirt, skirt, pants. So, go back. Using these vocabulary words, we can make dialogue with our key phrases. Okay, let's use this one. Repeat after me. I'll speak first, then I want you to speak. Okay? What is your favorite blank? What is your favorite blank? Okay, so let's use the word subject. What is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject? Okay. What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite movie? What is your favorite song? So these are A key phrases. A, what is your favorite subject? B, blank is my favorite blank. What is your favorite color? Blue is my favorite color. All right. Repeat after me. What is your favorite subject? He is a scientist. So, what is your favorite subject? Science is my favorite subject. What is his favorite color? Green is my favorite color. He likes green. So, his favorite color is green. I like wearing red. So, what is his favorite color? He likes red. Blank is his favorite color. His favorite color is red. What is your favorite food? Pizza is my favorite food. What is your favorite subject in school? It's a longer phrase. What is your favorite subject in school? Math is my favorite subject. My favorite subject is math. Do you like is our next key phrase. Do you like blank? Do you like English? Try to speak. Try to speak with me. Do you like English? Do you like school? Do you like wearing uniforms? Do you like movies? I like movies. Do you like K-pop? I like K-pop. BTS is my favorite group. Okay, let's use our worksheet now. Let's practice. So, look at part A of the worksheet. Okay, this is page 1 of our worksheet. We're going to work on it together. So, let's look here. We're going to look right here. All right. So, the first word is math. When I see this, I see math. So, which word matches with math? Food, color, drink, subject, game, sport, K-pop group, idol. What is the best one? The answer? Math matches with subject. D, subject. Now, together with me, let's use our key phrase. Do you like? I like. Do you like? I don't like. So, I'll speak first and then you. Do you like math? I like math. Is math your favorite subject? Math is my favorite subject. Okay, let's look at the next one. The next one is purple. So next one, number 2, purple. Purple, let's match it. Which one? Color. Purple is a color. Okay. Let's do it again. I'll speak first and then you. Is purple your favorite color? Is purple your favorite color? Yes, purple is my favorite color. No, purple is not my favorite color. No, purple is not my favorite color. All right. Battlegrounds. What is this? What is battlegrounds? Math is a subject. Purple is a color. What is battlegrounds? Maybe some don't know. I'll tell you. Battlegrounds is a game. Game, E. So, let's try our key phrase. Me first, and then you. Do you like games? Do you like games? I like games. I like games. Is Battlegrounds your favorite game? Is Battlegrounds your favorite game? No, Battlegrounds is not my favorite game. My favorite game is Overwatch. My favorite game is Overwatch. Okay. The next one, EXO. Then there's hamburgers. Then Pepsi and Coke. Is Coke your favorite cola? Is Coke your favorite cola? No, my favorite cola is Pepsi. Okay, the last one, number 7, soccer. What is soccer? All right. We're going to move on. Next part of the worksheet, fill the blanks. Use your key phrases. So we'll go all the way back. Okay, all the way back to our key phrases. Use your key phrases to fill the blanks. The first one, number one. My favorite blank is black. What is black? Black is a color. So, my favorite color is black. How about number 4? Blank is my favorite subject. Hamburgers, reading, K-pop group, PE, listening, shopping, games. Which one is a subject? Remember, math, English, Korean are subjects. PE is a subject. PE. So, blank is my favorite subject. What is your favorite subject? PE. PE is my favorite subject. Okay. Now, next on the list, let's look at the textbook. The textbook, remember, page 12. Page 12. So, here's page 10, page 11. We're on lesson 1, page 12. We're going to look at this page. We're going to look at this question right here. Okay, let's go.
Okay, looking at part A of page 12 in your book, let's listen and check. What is the boy's favorite subject?
Do you like science?
No, I don't.
Then do you like math?
Yes, math is my favorite subject.
The girl asked, "Do you like science?" Then the boy said, "What?" Then, "Do you like math?" What did he say? Let's listen one more time.
Do you like science?
No, I don't.
Then do you like math?
Yes, math is my favorite subject.
Which subject does he like? Does he like science? Does he like math? Does he like art? Which one? He likes math. Why does he like math? He likes math because it is his favorite subject. Okay, let's look at part B. Listen and choose. Let's listen to see what girl is Susie. Be listening for the color of jacket and the color of skirt. Here we go.
Hey, Susie. How's your new school?
It's great. I like it a lot.
Good. Do you like your school uniform?
Yes, I do. We have a gray jacket with a blue skirt.
Oh, my uniform is all green.
Do you like it?
Not really. I don't like green very much.
Okay, so what color is Susie's jacket? Is it gray or is it navy? What color is Susie's skirt? Is it blue? Is it gray? Or is it beige? Beige is like a brown color. Let's listen one more time.
Hey, Susie. How's your new school?
It's great. I like it a lot.
Good. Do you like your school uniform?
Yes, I do. We have a gray jacket with a blue skirt.
Oh, my uniform is all green.
Do you like it?
Not really. I don't like green very much.
Susie's jacket is gray. Her skirt is blue. Which one is Susie? The first girl is Susie. Now, do they like their school uniforms? The girl likes her school uniform, but the boy doesn't like his uniform.
Okay, let's look at our book again. Now we're looking on this page. Page 13. Page 13 gives us new key phrases. So, page 13. Okay, page 13. First key phrase. Are you good at blanking blank? So, speak after me. I'll speak first and then you. Are you good at blanking blank? So, green, playing. We need a verb. Play is a verb. You can play sports, you can play soccer, you can play games. You don't just play one game, you play several types of games. So, we need to make the noun plural. Green line for verb, red line for noun. Okay, so A, are you good at playing games? B, yes, I am good at playing games. Yes, I am good at blanking blank. Or no, I am not. No, I am not good at playing games. So remember, green line is for verbs. Red line is for nouns. Okay, so let's move on. we're going to use the key phrase, are you good at blank? So, are you good at playing Overwatch? No, I am not good at playing Overwatch. So we have verb, ing, verb ing, and our noun. Are you good at singing songs? Are you good at dancing to music? We're using are you. We're not using is you, we're using are you. You is considered second person, and because of that, you is plural. So are you? I am, are you? So, we're going to do a dialogue. What are you good at doing? All right. So, what are you good at doing? Repeat after me. What are you good at doing? Doing is asking for a verb. That is why doing is green. What are you good at doing? Playing, singing, dancing. What are you good at doing? Okay? Repeat after me. Me first, and then you. I am good at studying math. This time, our verb is study. We had the ing and then our noun, math. Is math your favorite subject? So now we're using a review key phrase. Is math your favorite subject? I like it. What is it? It is math. I like it, but it is not my favorite subject. Okay. A, B, A, B. A, B, A, B. An A, B, A, B dialogue. Okay. Now, if you have any questions, you can ask me when we can come back to school. But for now, let's keep practicing. So let's look at your worksheet again. This time, we're going to look at this one. Part D, page 13, Part D. Okay? Let's take a look. We're going to ask the question, are you good at playing blank? Are you good at blanking blank? So this asks, are you good at playing soccer? Yes, I am good at it. No, I am not good at it. Are you good at singing? I am not good at singing. So I am not good at singing. I am good at singing. I am not good at singing. This is our first picture. Our first picture matches the first question. I use this. Look at the picture. What do you think about? I think about science. I think about science. So, together, let's make a dialogue. Simple one-line dialogue right here. You at science are good. So, you at science are good. Okay. Our key phrase. Are you good? Can you see what we're doing? Arrange the words. So, are you good at blank? What goes there? Science. Are you good at science? Okay. Let's do another one. How about this one? Look at number 2. Number 2. There could be more than one answer for this. Are you good at drawing? Are you good at painting? Are you good at art? On our worksheet, I give you the word art. So, let's do this one together. All right? Our key phrase. K-P, key phrase. Are you good at blank? Okay, that should make most of it easy. So look at this on your worksheet. Good, you, at, art, are. You already have the key phrase, so what goes here? Are you good at art? Are you good at art? Okay. Okay, we're going to move down to this one. This one. Number 7. Number 7. Number 7. We have the words. What is she doing first? She is reading a book. You could also say she is studying. But for this, on our worksheet, it says reading. So let's do that. Reading books. So one more time. Let's rearrange the words. All right. So the words we have, not, good, not good, at, books, reading, I'm, books, reading, and I'll put this here. There's our words. Well, looking back at our worksheet, looking back at our key phrases, are you good at art? Yes, I am good at it. Are you good at science? No, I am not good at it. I'm not good at, so get rid of these. Now, we need our verb. I am not good at blank-ing now. What's a noun? Books. Which means reading. There you go. So, are you good at reading books? I'm not good at reading books. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at our textbook. Page 13. Here we go.
Okay, let's look at page 13. Listen and speak to. On part A, listen and number, we want to know what are Mike and Jack good at. Listen and speak to. There are 3 boys. One boy who's dancing, one boy who's singing, one boy who's playing the piano. Let's listen to find out what Mike and Jack are good at doing.
1.
Mike, are you good at dancing?
No, I'm not. I'm good at singing. 2.
Jack, are you good at playing the piano?
Yes, I am.
Okay, which one is Mike? Is Mike good at dancing? No, he's not. Let's listen one more time to see who Jack is and who Mike is.
1.
Mike, are you good at dancing?
No, I'm not. I'm good at singing. 2.
Jack, are you good at playing the piano?
Yes, I am.
Okay, what is Mike good at doing? Mike is good at singing, so boy number 2 is Mike. What about Jack? What is he good at doing? He is good at playing piano, so Jack is the 3rd boy. Now, let's move to part B, listen and check. What is Amy good at? What is she not good at? As you can see, we are reading, I'm good at soccer and tennis. I'm good at basketball and soccer. I'm not good at English. I'm not good at math. Let's listen to what she has to say.
Hi, my name is Amy. I love sports. I'm good at soccer and tennis. My favorite subject is English. I like math too, but I'm not very good at math, so I need your help. Let's have a great time together.
Okay, I'm good at blank. I'm not good at blank. Let's listen again. Listen very carefully. Here we go.
Hi, my name is Amy. I love sports. I'm good at soccer and tennis. My favorite subject is English. I like math too, but I'm not very good at math, so I need your help. Let's have a great time together.
Okay, first, what is Amy good at? She is good at soccer and tennis. Since Amy spoke, she says, I'm good at soccer and tennis. What did she say about math? What did she say about English? Is Amy good at English? Amy is good at English. Is she good at math? No. She said, I'm not good at math. So, what is Amy's favorite subject? It is English. Her favorite subject is English.
Okay, so we just did this part. Now let's look at part E, book dialogue for listening. So let me pull it back up. All right, so we know this is Mike. Mike is good at singing. This is Jack. Jack is good at verb ing blank. Blank ing blank. Jack is good at playing piano. So, looking here, number 1, what is the third boy good at doing? What is the third boy good at doing? What is he doing? He is blank ing. He is dancing. He is good at dancing. Key phrase. He is good at dancing. Okay. Looking at Amy. We know that she is good at soccer and tennis, and she's not good at math. So, let's answer this question. What is Amy's favorite subject? Amy's favorite subject is English. Okay. That finishes this side. Now, one more page. Right here. Last page. Part F. The directions say, make a lesson 1 dialogue. Okay. Lesson 1 dialogue. So, right here, I have our key phrases. What is your favorite blank? Is blank your favorite blank? And do you like blank? Then I have the answer to the question. My favorite blank is blank. Blank is my favorite blank. I like blank. I don't like blank. Okay. So let's make a dialogue together. So clear my board off. Okay. I want you to use the words that you know. So, I'll help you. A, B. A, B. A, B dialogue. Okay? So let's pick a key phrase. Pick a key phrase. How about we choose this one? What is your favorite blank? Okay? What is your favorite blank? Okay? Now, what's the answer to this? What's the answer? How about this one? Blank is my favorite blank. Okay. A-B dialogue. Finish. Now, let's use this one. Do you like? Do you like blank? And then what could be the answer? Yes or no? How about we say yes? Yes. I like blank. Okay. So I'm going to use a green color now. Let's make a dialogue. So, what is your favorite color subject? What is your favorite K-pop group? I'm looking at this page again. I need to get some words. So what is your favorite, how about we say, what is your favorite sport? What are sports? Tell me some sports. What is your favorite sport? Well, what are are some sports? Basketball, soccer, table tennis, tennis, badminton. I like tennis. I love tennis. I play tennis. So this dialogue is for me. What is your favorite sport? Tennis is my favorite sport. Okay? Do you like games? Okay? Games. Don't forget the S. Do you like games? Yes, I like games. I play games every weekend. I love playing Overwatch. So, my favorite sport is tennis. I like playing games. I like watching movies. I like singing songs. I like playing piano. There's our dialogue. So, on the lines here, A, B, write down key phrase. 4 key phrases, and make a lesson 1 dialogue. That's all for lesson 1. So practice your key phrases, practice speaking, and I can't wait to see you and meet you at Go촌중학교. See you soon.